p.m. right now. I actually just got done filming another video, which is why my hair is all like done and stuff. And I'm just going to actually get ready for today. I'm doing intermittent fasting, so I can't eat until 12, and then I finish eating at 8 p.m. So it's really hard because I am actually very hungry right now. I really want to eat. Also, do not mind this. This is a burn, not a hickey. This is a burn. I just burned myself. I was showing you guys how I do this hair with like an iron, and I definitely burned myself. It hurts so bad. Anyways, I'm going to start off with my, I'm going to use my Cover FX foundation. This is in the color G40. Been using this a lot lately. It's a very, very light foundation to me. Really like it. So yesterday I got my pap smear done at the doctor. Yeah, it was long overdue. Haven't been in a while, so I definitely needed to go. I gotten it before, but I didn't remember if it hurt that much or not. And I was also like nervous because it was a new doctor, and I was just nervous. Like I didn't, I mean, you have to like get naked, and I was just thinking like, what if she doesn't make me feel comfortable during the whole thing? But I had to remind myself like, she's a professional, she does this for a living, so you'll be fine. So I went, and it was really fine. She was great, really nice, didn't make me feel weird at all. I think I made her feel weird more than she made me feel weird. So when she was checking my area, she was like, oh my gosh, like your skin looks super healthy. And I was so awkward, and I was like laying down, and I just went, thanks. And we just kind of like, I like looked up at her a little bit, and then she was looking at me, and we were just like, yeah, it was so dumb. I was like, why did I have to say it so weird like that? Now I'm just going to use this concealer, and this ColourPop concealer, and I'm just tapping over my hyperpigmentation to like cover it up a little better. Y'all should go get your pap smear if you haven't. She told me that you need to get them every few years now, so make sure to do that. So today I think me and Jimmy are gonna he kind of wants to go thrifting, so hopefully I can take him, and we have time for that. We shall see where the day takes us. Catching up. I watched the first episode of Tokyo Ghoul season 3. I've watched it twice already because I watched it once alone, and then I watched it again with Corey, Kat, and Jimmy. They've all seen Tokyo Ghoul before, so they were also very excited. But anyways, I loved it. I thought it was so good. I'm really, really curious to see like where the story is going to go. I don't want to say anything just in case anyone hasn't watched it since it kind of just came out. But I will say this. Did you guys like the opening song? I didn't really like it. And I don't like the opening song. It's like too chaotic for me, and I'm really bummed because I really love the opening song to the original Tokyo Ghoul. It's like na 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 na, that one. I really like that one. It's my favorite opening ever, and like I don't usually remember like anime openings. My brother and my sister are really good at that, where they can remember like how the songs go. But I can only remember, let's see, I can remember that one, and I remember the closing to, was it the, I don't remember the song in Inuyasha that's like, it's called Fukai Mori, I think it's like, na 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 na, that one. I really like that one. And then there is the Bleach one, and it's like the closing to Bleach, I think. It's like, everyone knows who I really am. I never felt for him. Yeah, so those are like the only 3 I can remember. I'm sure I can remember other ones, like if they started playing. But yeah. Anyways, I was really bummed about the opening song because it was just like a lot going on in the song, and I couldn't really like focus. But I wish they had just like used the same song, but like twisted it a little, but you could like still hear that it was the same song. I don't know. Okay, I am going to do eyeshadow now, and I have my little Kiki's Delivery Service makeup bag. I've just been like keeping all my stuff in here because I was just traveling for a bit earlier. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm really sad this keeps happening, but while I was traveling, this color in my Overtake palette got like crushed. I'm really upset, and I keep having to like pat it back in. This is my favorite palette, so I'm actually really sad that this keeps happening. Anyways, I'm just going to do my normal everyday and take this color, just put it all over my lid. I'm also getting Jimmy to watch Mother, and I watched like part of Go Back Couple with Kat, so I'm just sucking them into my Korean drama obsession. Jimmy really likes Mother so far. Like, he'll just be sitting there just going, oh no, aw, like that. He's just like, it's just so sad that he's just like talking to himself the whole time. Next color I'm going to take is, I mean, you guys already know what I do. I just take that darker color. Also, guys, thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. That's honestly just like crazy to me, because I just remember when I first started, and I was like, oh, that'd be so cool to see like 100,000 up there, and it like finally happened. Everything's still the same. No life-changing event has happened, but I feel like, wow, like I accomplished something, and it's not really me accomplishing something, it's like you guys. But thank you so much. Like, you honestly just made me so happy. So thank you. And I was actually feeling like pretty bummed lately. I try not to focus like on the numbers too much when it comes to like my channel, but it's hard when I'm like watching other people and my eyes just like go straight to like view count, and I'm just like seeing my views, and I just don't feel like it's as good compared to other people. It makes me really sad, because like I just work so hard on my videos, and I don't know what to do to like make them better. I don't want to change myself or do stuff that I really don't want to do. I don't know, so I'm trying really hard not to like focus on the numbers too much, but it's hard, and I have to remind myself that there's still like a lot of you guys who enjoy watching my videos and enjoy what I'm already doing, so I just have to remember that. And it can get quite hard, because it's hard not to look at the numbers when you're doing this. But you guys honestly just like make me feel so much better about it. Thank you. I definitely want to give something to you guys, but I don't know what. I'll go shopping, make like cute little packages for you guys or something. Okay, I'm going to put on my lashes. I was gonna do eyeliner, but I don't really want to. All right, so I'm gonna do my blush now, and I'm using my Glossier blush in Dusk. It's just my go-to, it's my favorite. I also really like the color Beam. It's like an orangish color. Also, guys, just something I've realized. So I've been trying to like reach out to more people this year and like hang out with people, like I told you guys, and I feel like I've been doing a good job, and I've definitely been like making good friends and stuff, but it's also like open like to a lot of like rejection. There's people that I want to reach out to and like be friends with, and I feel like I've just like done it so many times, and I just constantly like get turned down by them. It makes me feel really shitty, honestly. It kind of makes me feel like, oh, like what's wrong with me? I don't know, a lot of kind of like self-blame, like what's the matter with me kind of thing. So I just started doing that a lot, where I was just really kind of like hard on myself, and then I just kind of realized, like, why are you being so hard on yourself? If they don't want to hang out with you and they don't put an effort to hang out with you, or they're just continuously rejecting you, like, you just have to accept it and move on. I feel like I'm giving myself a rule now, where if I ask you to hang out 3 times and you don't accept or make an effort to reschedule, or like ask me to hang out, I just am not gonna even try anymore, because it's just like so hard on me and my soul. I mean, the first time if someone's like, oh, I can't, like, I'm really busy, blah, blah, then I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, for sure. It's not as if I'm asking them every day, you know? It's like I wait like a month or two and then I ask them again, or I wait like a couple weeks and I ask them. I feel like I'm approaching this in the right way, or I'm not being annoying, but I'm just trying to make more of an effort to meet people and hang out with people and just maintain and create new relationships. But I've just like noticed that a lot of people, not a lot, I just noticed that now I feel like I'm getting rejected a lot more than I used to. I'm saying that because I used to never ask people to hang out. But if someone asked me to hang out, I'd always be like, yeah, for sure. So now that I'm the one reaching out, I just feel like, oh, there's a lot of rejection in this. But anyways, if you guys are going through that, just try and give yourself like a rule. Be understanding, but also be like, respect yourself. I feel like I'm just having such a hard time with that. Oh my gosh, you guys can't see, but I'll insert a little clip right now. Pepper is sunbathing. So cute. Anyways, highlighter. I have this Luster Dust highlighter from ColourPop. I really, really like this. I just feel like it's so light and pretty. So with this, I like to take an eyeshadow brush, kind of like this, and I just kind of tap, tap, and lightly, whoa, see, it's really strong, so I like to use a small brush to kind of just dust it on. Do a little nose contour. Choot, choot. I'm gonna do lips, and I really want to do a red lip because the outfit I want to wear today has some red on it. I have this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. This is in the color Star-Crossed. And then what I also like to do is just like with the brush, because I like that soft look. And this just makes like the lips look a little softer. Okay, so I am done with my face. I think for hair, I might keep it like this, but I might put it up in a ponytail. But let me go get changed really quick, and I will show you my outfit. Okay, so I have these jeans. These are my Urban Outfitters Kick Flare jeans. I really like them. They're very, very comfortable, and I don't really wear a lot of jeans, but I have like 3 that I like, and one of them are these. So for my top, I have this top, and this is from Lisa Says Ga. I think she's based in San Francisco, but I ordered a t-shirt. Ooh, I like this shirt. It looks good. I think I'm gonna tuck it in though. I really like it. What do you guys think? I really like it. I decided to go for a low ponytail. I think it looks good with this outfit because it's like more casual. I'm also gonna wear these shoes today. Okay, angle. Alright, that is it for getting ready. Thank you for getting ready with me. I will try and do these more, but I'm going to go now. So have a great day or great night, and I will see you later. Bye bye!